Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I did a project involving this style reference code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 26. And this was my favorite image from the project. So I'll describe the project. It started out by just running some images with the style reference code. Um, this here is the name of the folder I used. And here, this actually has it in the prompt. A lot of them don't have this in the prompt, but these do to give an idea of what the style reference code looks like. Now, one of the things that I did was to try to match this image with ChatGPT without using the style reference code, but just through a textual description. So try to remember this, and then I'm going to go up and find the one that ChatGPT did. So it wrote the text, and then I gave it to Midjourney, and then I would give it the image, ChatGPT, to look at and refine and so forth. I went back a few times, and so these were a couple of ones that it came up with, which I thought were pretty good in terms of trying to match it. And so I'm going to go back to the original one. That's this one. And so that was one of the things that I played around with, was to see about not including the style reference code. And here, this is using an artist that I hadn't heard of, and I thought this was gorgeous. This was my favorite image of the lot. So then another thing that I tried was to not use the name of the artist. So that's these, because my idea was that, like, if I just use text to describe it, then I wouldn't run into the problem of the style reference code, like overpowering everything else about it. And then I thought, well, if that is a viable concept for style reference codes, maybe it would be for the artist too. So the idea is to make this look like Monet without actually using his name. And then, for example, you might get better control over the image because the Midjourney bot won't be trying to reference Monet paintings, and then throw something in from an actual Monet painting, but just trying to describe the style. That was the idea. And I thought it worked really well. Came up with some nice images, and I think it captured Monet's style pretty well. I think this is probably my favorite of the group. And then also did a couple of Cézannes. And same concept, to make it look like Cézanne without actually using his name. And for style reference codes, a couple of sites would be midjourneysref.com. That's here, midjourneysref.com. And then another one is midlibrary.io. These are a couple of good sites that you can look at. And I'll end the video just showing some images. And thank you for watching. Until next time.